Hello students, you are welcome to Young Brains Academy. My name is JJ Thompson Oladele. Today's lesson is going to be the concluding part of the topic we started, change of subject of the formula. In today's lesson, we are going to deal with equations involving powers and roots. Example 5a, equations involving powers. Make x the subject of the formula in x squared plus b equals a. In this equation, x is raised to a power of 2. Solution: x squared plus b equals a. We will need to remove b from the left hand side. So we subtract b from both sides. We have x squared plus b minus b equals a minus b. Note that b minus b equals 0. Then we have x squared plus 0 equals a minus b. It then becomes x squared equals a minus b. For us to remove the power of 2 from x, we take the square root of both sides. We have square root x squared equals square root of a minus b. Knowing that square root of x squared equals x, then we have s equals square root of a minus b. Therefore, our x as the subject of the formula becomes s equals square root of a minus b. Example 5b, equations involving powers. Make x the subject of the formula in x cubed plus b equals a. In this equation, s is raised to a power of 3. Solution: x cubed plus b equals a. We have to remove b from the left hand side. To do that, we need to subtract b from both sides. So we have x cubed plus b minus b equals a minus b. b minus b on the left hand side equals 0. So we have x cubed plus 0 equals a minus b. It can also be written as x cubed equals a minus b. For us to remove the power of 3 from x, we need to take the cube root of both sides. Then we have cube root of x cubed equals cube root of a minus b. Note that cube root of x cubed equals x. Therefore, we have x equals to cube root of a minus b. Our x as the subject of the formula equals to cube root of a minus b. Example 6a, equations involving square root. Make x the subject of the formula in square root x plus b equals a. Solution: square root x plus b equals a. We need to remove the square root sign from the left hand side, and to do that, we need to square both sides. When we square both sides, it will remove the square root sign. So we have square root of x plus b squared equals a squared. When we square the left hand side, we are left with x plus b equals a squared. Noting that square root of s raised power 2 equals x. We subtract b from both sides in order to remove b from the left hand side. So we have x plus b minus b equals a squared minus b. b minus b equals 0. So we can have the equation as x equals a squared minus b. Our x as the subject of the formula gives s equals a squared minus b. Example 6b, equations involving cube root. Make x the subject of the formula in cube root of x plus b equals a. In this case, it is cube root of x plus b equals a. Solution. Cube root of x plus b equals a. We need to remove the cube root sign from it, and to do that, we need to cube both sides. We need to raise both sides to the power of 3. So we have cube root of x plus b raised to power 3 equals a raised to power 3. So we have x plus b equals a raised to power 3. Noting that cube root of s raised to power 3 equals x. Then we need to remove b from the left hand side. We have subtract b from both sides. X plus b minus b equals a cube minus b. Noting that b minus b equals 0. Therefore, s equals a raised to power 3 minus b. Before we end the lesson for today, we need to consider some practice questions. Make x the subject of the formula in the following. Question 1. A minus s squared equals b. Question 2. Cube root of x minus b equals a. Thanks for watching. Please follow, like, comment, and share this video. See you next time.